welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can do the TRIPPY flashing color effect in HitFilm Express 12. All you have to do is just click on the effects, right there shift, and you will see here a hue shift. Take it, grab it and paste it to your video. When you do it, now the really important thing is to open it, click here the keyframe, the display timeline keyframe, and now we can see it. So this is just the beginning of it. You can zoom in and zoom out with the wheelbar here. Now click here on this, how it's called, hue shift, to create a first keyframe. Go on the end of the video and create, I don't know, second keyframe. And let's create also in the middle, like this. And let's play how it looks like. And let's play also the background music. So this is how you actually create the hue shift effect on HitFilm Express 12. And yeah, that's kind of it. You can also play with the saturation to make it more colorful or whatsoever. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.